So we're getting quite close to the spaceship now.
So we have to go down here.
Yes.
Hit a right.
Yeah.
And then hit the next right, and we're there. We have to like walk around it basically.
Yeah.
So we approach it from, like, imagine us on a right angle there. We approach it from that side.
But what I've read, it's actually
Shit.
Well, might not be to people who love water towers. It's actually owned by the water board. So, but what I read the other day was it's been auctioned off this month at some point, and they think they might be knocking it down. So this might be the last opportunity to come and see it. But yeah, I don't know how much it's cost, but I'll have a little look.
We did actually approach it from the other side. We parked up near a dairy ice cream place that's quite famous in this area, and within 2 minutes of parking up, an annoying little Hitler-style farmer came out and started, "Whoa, whose car's that?" Rah, 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 and start barking on at us because he wanted us to leave. And well, he didn't necessarily say he wanted us to leave, but he gave us the impression that he wasn't comfortable with us being parked up there. And he did.
He thought we're poachers?
Yeah, he thought we were going to like poach his cows or something like that. I don't know where we're going to put them because we've just got like a little saloon car, and I don't think cows can fit in the back of one of those.
We can try.
Exactly. But yeah, so he told us to move on. And to be honest, it's probably been a bit of a blessing in disguise, because I think approaching it from this way is better. And you know, got a nice little walk for us. Yeah, fair enough, you lot don't enjoy the walk, but you enjoy us gibbering on and chatting shit. But yeah, there's Fatty.
Thanks, mate. But yeah, what I'll do is, when we've got the drone up, I'll do some voiceovers, just telling you a bit about this water tower, its history and things like that, just so you get to know it. But like I say, I believe it has been auctioned off, so this might be the last chance to come and see it. So if you're interested, come up and see it. Pop in the comments if you want to know the exact location, and what I'll do is I'll reply to each comment and tell you where it is. But yeah, let's try and get to it. That's it there. Does look like a spaceship, doesn't it?
It does.
So, we're nearly at the water tower, but this obstacle's in the way. So we'll have to climb over this stupid bloody fence gate. So, let's see me struggle. By the way, I'm not the best climber, so...
Go on, Action Jackson.
Yes! Let's watch Bizzle just... There we go, easy as that. Drop his coat like.
No, it's a jumper.
I'm sorry.
It's the hottest day of the year, I don't have a coat.
Okay. Neither do I.
Stop saying I've got a jumper. Stop saying I've got a coat.
Good, you've got a jumper. Yeah, so today's meant to be one of the hottest days of the year in the UK. And to be honest, what's the time?
And considering we live in the northeast, that could be anywhere from 14 degrees upwards.
Yeah. So, but what? It's like 8:30 in the morning.
It is 8:39.
8:39, and it is warm. Do a temperature check.
It is currently 17 degrees.
So it's not bad. So I would possibly say later on it's going to be about 25 degrees, something like that.
Possibly.
Yeah. Usually you can tell first thing in the morning when it's like how warm it is.
To put it into perspective, this is like London area coming up for the following week, right? So see there, Tuesday 35 degrees, and then let's have a look, and then if we look where we are, the same Tuesday, 24 degrees and a chance of rain. So that just tells you how shit it is up north.
Yeah, it's so unpredictable. Like the other day, it was like, what was it? It was like 23 degrees or something. but it just rained all day.
Aye, it was 25 in my car yesterday.
Yeah, and it just rained. It's just... See, this is why you need to subscribe, right? Because if you if you subscribe, it means we can eventually get monetized, and then we can go to better places where every day it's 35 degrees.
Yeah,
so,
you lot can pay for it.
So, what's that noise?
Water.
So if you haven't subscribed, because the last time we did a video, there was something like 75% of people who watched the video weren't even subscribed. How crazy is that?
That is crazy.
You know what I mean? So all it takes is just pressing a button.
It's free.
It's free. Do it. Just honestly, just press subscribe. Help us out. You know, we're just a small YouTube channel, and that's all we ask. Watch the video, give us a like, give us a comment, and just subscribe. It's dead simple.
Yep.
Every comment that's on, we'll always reply back, whether that's me or Bizzle. You know, we'll always reply back to everything. We're trying to create a nice little community. You know, we don't do the most exciting things, and
but
you know,
we
will do eventually.
We'll build up to it.
Yeah, this is what we're all about. You know, just slowly growing, getting a community of people that enjoy our videos, not just people who come and watch and think, nah, that's okay. You know, we want you to subscribe, we want to create a community. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day. But yeah, we're just coming up to the water tower now, as you can see.
The structure was built in 1963 during a boom in mid-century civic engineering. While older water towers were traditionally blocky brick or Victorian structures, the 1960s embraced bold experimental concrete designs. It's famous among locals for looking exactly like a giant concrete magic mushroom, a flying saucer on a stick, or a hooded cobra rising out of the fields. It is believed to have been designed by the architectural firm W.B. Edwards and Partners, who specialised in striking functional modernist structures. The tower wasn't built to look pretty. It was a high consequence piece of infrastructure built to modernise the water supply for rapidly expanding coastal communities of Amble, Warkworth and Acklington. The massive saucer-shaped concrete cap at the top holds an astonishing 500,000 plus litres of water. It doesn't pump water up to supply houses. Instead, water was pumped into the giant saucer from a covered reservoir located just a few fields over. The tower uses pure gravitational pressure by storing the water at a high, elevated point. Gravity naturally pushes the water down the stem and through miles of underground pipes. So let's sit back and enjoy the footage.
So that was our drone flight, the third time we've flew the drone.
Yep.
But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the footage. It was hard to navigate around it. We did it all ourselves. All of the footage we controlled ourselves. We didn't let the drone do anything or the app do anything. It was all just us. But yeah, it was good fun. It looks really, really good.
Yeah, if you haven't got a drone, get one.
Yeah.
Fun, so much fun to mess around with, man.
The only thing I would say is get a spare battery, because I've only got one battery, and it's a bit. It probably lasts. How long would you say?
Probably about. I think it was about 18, 19 minutes, something like that.
I've got a spider on us.
Have you?
On me hat, yeah.
Unlucky.
Yeah. But yeah, probably last about 18, maybe 20 minutes at max. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the footage. We enjoyed doing this, so on to the next one. Don't forget to
like,
subscribe,
and comment,
and
hit the notification bell.
See you on the next one, guys. Bosh.
As long as I gaze on Waterloo sunset, I am in